I am K. Gautamuthu of ECA here to present Arduino sensor. Arduino sensor. When an electronic hobbyist starts designing any project, the main concern factor would be the compatible issues between hardware and then available software ideas invented around 2000s. Arduino came as an answer for such issues. Arduino is the product of effort put forth by a group of Italian postgraduates and lecturers of a interaction design institute in Ivrea. The microcontroller is named after the 11th century Italian king Arduino in Ivrea. What is Arduino sensor? Because of its open source nature, Arduino has become a global phenomenon. It evolved as a prototyping platform for hobbyists, artists, designers, and more importantly to the students who are new to the world of electronics projects. Arduino comes with a microcontroller and an software IDE to update the code into the hardware. Seeing the popularity of Arduino among hobbyists, many sensors which are compatible with Arduino were launched. There are various types of Arduino sensor available in the market. These sensors help Arduino to interact with the surroundings and for designing new application. Working principle. The microcontrollers that came before Arduino don't have an software IDE for uploading code into the hardware. One had to use separate hardware device to upload the code into the hardware. Due to this flexibility features, it is easy to interface sensor with Arduino. As the microcontroller already provides a software IDE for programming, the only hardware required to interface the sensors with Arduino and then broadband and connecting wires. Code can be written in Arduino IDE and uploaded. Application of Arduino sensor. There are many projects designed using Arduino sensor for various applications. Arduino is said to be used to make a dream ideas into reality. The ultrasonic model is used for non-contact range detection. It makes up of sonar for its working. IR infrared obstacles avoidance sensor detects objects which are before it and generates a digital signal. It is used in robots. Soil hygrometer is a soil moisture sensor. It generates a digital signal when the moisture in the soil increases above some threshold value. The automatic self-warning plant is designed using the sensor with Arduino. Microscope sensor is used to detect the sound. It generates a signal when the intensity of detection sound increases beyond some the threshold value. To detect the poisonous gas such as LPG, irbutane, propane, alcohol, the sensor is used. The rain sensor is used for weather monitoring. To detect flame and then auxiliary light sensor is used. PI sensor is used to detect motion from humans and then pets. Touchscreen sensor is used for designing touch dimmer circuit using Arduino. These are the some of example for Arduino sensor: microphone sensor, digital barometric pressure sensor, photoresistor sensor, digital thermal sensor, and etc. Thank you.